Good morning. This is Driving with the Miles. I'm a state certified instructor. We're going to talk about driving at night and some of the observational things and vision things you need to do. So let's go ahead and get it. So I'm getting ready to reverse out. You always want to look out of your back window. Even though this car, it does have a backup camera, don't rely on your backup camera. You have to look over your shoulder, cover your brake. You have to look left and right. Driveways, getting out of your driveways are some of the most dangerous things that we all do because we take it for granted. So you always have to watch. There are cars on both sides of me. There could be kids walking in the morning. There's frost on the windows, so I'm covering my brake, going down slowly. You see me looking left and right. And then I'm going to turn hand over hand to the right, looking in the rear of the car goes to the right. The front goes out to the left. So cover that brake, always look. Then I'm going to turn back hand over hand, and then I am good. So I'm scanning through the neighborhood. Neighborhoods are some of the most dangerous locations. Why? We let our guard down. So you want to scan left, middle, right. Always scanning, always looking around, always taking your time. I've kind of cheated a little bit. I started the car up, the frost is off of the windows, but you still have got to be careful. So I'm scanning, I'm looking, my windshield is clear. You see I have my hands at 9 and 3 or 10 and 2, always looking around, looking for tail lights, looking for headlights. Typically in neighborhoods, people don't stop, and they're just going to blow through yield signs, blow through stop signs. So if you would get hit, it would be in your neighborhood. So you want to be careful. So I'm coming up to a main street. So I'm going to go ahead and make a right turn. So I'm looking left, right, and left. So I stop at the stop sign. Then you want to inch forward. So I'm going to go ahead and inch forward. I'm looking left, I'm looking right, I'm looking left. You always want to turn in the nearest lane. So I'm going to turn in the nearest lane, and I turn out hand over hand. So I'm looking, checking my mirrors are adjusted properly. So I'm going to continue on forward. The speed control is nice and smooth. My mirrors are adjusted so I can see around me. Vision is one of the most important things that you need to learn to develop. So I need to get over to the right lane. So it's mirror, turn signal, blind spot. The gap is open where the car belongs. If you cross the line early, you will lose points. So I'm up to an intersection. I have to look left, gotta look right, gotta look left, and then I turn and accelerate into the nearest lane. So the speed limit here is 50 miles an hour. I'm gonna go ahead and get up to 50 miles an hour. And then I need to make a lane change to the left. So mirror, turn signal, blind spot, look over my shoulder. I gently turn the wheel, and then I'm into that lane. So that's a nice smooth lane change. I'm taking my time. The car is warmed up. The seat is warmed up. So we got spoiled here. This is a 2020. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you some proper merging on the expressway. To give you some ideas and insights on what you need to do to prepare yourself. So I have a green light, I'm scanning, but remember, bridges freeze first. So it's been very cold, it's been under 20 degrees, so I want to be mindful of this. So I'm going to turn on my left turn signal. I see a person walking. Why? Because I'm using my eyes. I have a solid yellow line, so this means I cannot pass. Now the line is broken. Mirror, turn signal, blind spot. I'm in. I have a protected left turn, so this means I have to wait for traffic to clear or my green turning arrow. I have my blinking yellow is clear, and then I turn hand over hand. And remember, these ramps can freeze. So now you can hear the car. I'm accelerating on the ramp. On your DMV test or road test, your tester will look for you to look over the shoulder, look for you to pick a gap, and then accelerate. But if I go too fast, I'll be on top of this car. So I'm out, I check, I'm in the first lane, I'm good, I'm nice and smooth. So I'm gonna maintain my good speed control. I'm gonna take my time. I see a vehicle with 4 ways on, so I'm gonna go over to the left, mirror, turn signal, blind spot, and then I had a great lane change. So I'm maintaining about 69 miles an hour. Here in this area of the country, the speed limit is 70. So I'm maintaining great speed control. I'm taking my time. So let's kind of review. I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. I went over some information about backing out of the driveway, merging on the expressway, and just taking my time. I want you to find this of value. I need you to like and subscribe. There's going to be more content coming in the next few days. So if you have questions, please post questions and I will reply. Thank you.